Hello guys, I'm so excited about this recipe. It's milk and malt chinchin, no sugar. Yes, it is an amazing recipe and welcome back to my channel. Now this is your malt and milk and condensed milk. I'm going to mix them and set them aside. Don't worry, the quantities will be in the description box. This is my flour, butter and baking powder. That is all you need. You do not need egg. Just these few ingredients will give you that amazing chinchin. And I want you to watch till the very end because you wouldn't want to miss out on every step of this recipe. It is easy, it is unique and it's amazing. After mixing your flour and your butter together, you add in your malt and milk mixture and make sure your dough is firm like this. Now for 250 grams of flour, I use 125 ml of malt and milk mixture. So that's for that. The other quantities will be in the description box. I rolled my dough till flat and I'm going to cut long dough. Make sure your dough is a bit thick. I like my chinchin dough a bit thick. It makes it come out looking chunky and more attractive instead of being flat and thin. So when it's a bit thick, when you fry it, it comes out looking more attractive. Now this is where the trick is. You cut triangular dough like this in a slant form and the other way, slant downwards and slant upwards, and that is how you cut it and you have a unique triangular looking chinchin. I just felt that since chinchin is always in a rectangular form, why can't I make a triangular chinchin? And it came out very unique and very easy also. After cutting your dough, you set them on a tray and dust it just with little flour. This recipe, you don't need much flour to dust your chinchin with because they don't stick together. You fry on medium heat in fairly hot oil, stirring continuously until you have this golden brown look. You can see the shape is still intact. They did not stick together. They are all separate, they are all firm, and they are distinct and unique. This is an amazing recipe. If this is your first time of stopping by Debbie's Kitchen, you are so welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, this is an opportunity for you to hit that subscription button and the notification bell for more yummy recipe coming your way. Now our chinchin is ready. It's looking amazing and it's good to go with a cup of cold drink. This is perfect for any occasion. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and see you next time. Good to have you here. Bye bye.